high volume output, high resolution.
Introducing the new Canon imageFORCE. Built to make business move. With a new interface, printing has never been easier. Powered with smart technology that detects paper quality and automatically adjusts settings for precise, accurate results every time. Experience exceptional color accuracy, sharp details, and high-resolution prints. Fast printing, even at high volumes, so your workflow never slows down. Designed for all kinds of print jobs, from business cards to posters. Print on the go, with seamless connectivity across devices and platforms. A smoother, smarter workflow. Supported by smart AI that identifies issues before they become problems. Canon imageFORCE was built with sustainability in mind. From production to distribution, Canon ensures easy disposal and minimal waste. This is printing that works smarter. This is printing that moves businesses forward. Canon imageFORCE, built to make business move.
Canon, delighting you always.